Hi guys, this is a Samsung 55-inch curved TV which is got the vertical and horizontal lines, and with the right bottom corner getting really hot and it's starting to black out the entire TV. So I'll show you how to fix this. Okay, you then lay the TV on a table like this. Then these TV come with screwless types, so all you have to do is use just a screwdriver or a jig tool to snap this open along all sides, and you'll be able to open the cover off. Okay, once you remove the back cover, you've got these screws that holds these panels, so it's on all corners, as you can see, and you need to remove all that to disconnect that frame from the front screen. Okay, once you take the outer trim off, all you gotta do is make sure you flip these cables that feeds your LCD screen, and then you should be able to disconnect the front screen. Okay, following that, all you have to do is make sure you remove the legs. So I've already removed the right one, that's the left one, and then you'll have this screw here on both sides. Make sure you remove those screws, give it a wiggle, and you should be able to get rid of these. You need to remove these so you can get the front screen off. There you go. So once you've removed the legs on the right and left hand side, we need to remove the front glass of the TV. So in order to do that, you need to make sure you unplug this yellow thingy from the main chassis, and then you should be able to remove that strip from these slots. They usually slide into these slots. There's about 4 slots, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you're able to do that on both sides, you should be able to dismantle that ribbon that connects to the front glass, which you should be able to then remove it off. Okay, once we remove those ribbons off from the back of that bracket, you should now be able to remove the front glass like that, and then the diffuser, and then get on to the back LED lights. I've already seen that it's a bit of burnt mark on the diffuser screen, so we'll look into it further. As you can see, that section on the right hand side is completely burnt out. I removed the front glass and a couple of diffusers on top, and this is the second layer of glass. As you can see, I've removed the front LED glass now, the second layer of LED glass, and I've turned the power on, and you can see the center section of the LEDs are not working, and the section where it was all burnt, which is this section here, we seems to have a little bit of burnt out LEDs as well. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I've just disconnected these cables that feed the LED strip, and I'm gonna remove all these screws, that one, a few of them. So the LED strip is divided into 2 sections, so that and that. So I've got a problem with this, but I would be removing both and replacing both at the same time. Okay, finally I've removed both the LED strips. So you got 2 strips. That's a faulty one, that's still working fine, but I'm gonna order the parts for both. I'm gonna replace both and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, as I spoke to you before, I'm now ordering some LED strips off from eBay from this side. So I made sure I've checked the existing LEDs, and looks like that is what I'm gonna order. And as you can see, I've cross-verified it with the ones that I pulled off from the TV. Though the advertisement says doesn't match my TV model, I'm pretty sure this is gonna fit in right for the 55-inch TV model that I've got. So I'll let you know when it's all done.